Bitcoin is right now trying to break above the resistance from this bigger descending channel, guys, which might be in fact a very big bull flag. We are going to have a look at that in today's video. What is the target of this potential bull flag? What can we expect with Bitcoin in the coming months? And what basically happened when we have seen a similar situation? That is going to be the topic of today's video, guys. With that being said, my name is Sharon. Welcome to the blockchain today, and let's dive straight into it. And yeah, when we have a look at the macro structure of Bitcoin, then it looks like we are trading within this bigger descending channel, and the moment we can have a decisive break out of this bigger descending channel, then that is showing us that on a macro structure, the price of Bitcoin wants to see a acceleration in the uptrend. And right now we are on the verge of breaking that declining resistance. Of course, we want to have some more confirmation, but so far the price is trading above that resistance from approximately 51,350, and we even came back down slightly to test that former resistance as new support. So guys, this is a very bullish sign for Bitcoin. And yeah, on the macro perspective, once we are seeing this breakout and we are not breaking back into this channel, then that is very bullish, and that might show us right here that over the next coming months we are going to see the last phase of this Bitcoin bull market, which is comparable with something that we have seen right here, which coincidentally, which I don't think is coincident, is also at a similar time period as we are trading right now. So guys, let's have a look at that. So guys, let me show you on a weekly time frame what I mean right here. What we can see in the previous bull market, also we had the all-time high right here at approximately $1,100 US. We broke above that all-time high. We got a acceleration in the uptrend. We got a correction, and around this period we had another breakout, and we saw that acceleration in the uptrend ending with that blow off top phase. So right now we have just seen something similar so far. We also had we broke above the previous all-time high right here. We also got this nice U-shape, multi-year long U-shape right here. This one is slightly different with these moves in between, but if you just scroll out and look at the rough image, then we got a U-shape right here. We broke above the previous all-time high, got that acceleration, got that correction right now, and right now we could see a continuation of the uptrend, something like we have seen right here or right here, depending how you look at it. But it means basically that we are in a similar situation around this time. And if we have a look right here, when we bottomed out, when we had this correction, that was in September, and after September, October, November, December was very bullish for Bitcoin, and we saw this major acceleration in this uptrend, where you basically didn't really want to touch altcoins too much within this rally, but you also really didn't want to short Bitcoin, because basically Bitcoin was just going up and up. And I think it is possible, guys, that we are going to see something similar like this, that in the coming months Bitcoin can do something similar as we have seen in 2017, that right here we're just going to see a uptrend slowly grinding to the previous all-time high right here, and the moment we break above that all-time high, we can see a acceleration in this uptrend, and it can be a multi-month acceleration where Bitcoin eventually will go into that blow off top phase. So guys, that is what I'm looking at the bigger scale for the next coming months. I think Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish, especially when we can break the structure, when we have a look at the potential target of this bull flag formation, then we can take the pole of the flag right here, put at the point of breakout right there. Then that would set the target of this formation at approximately $82,000 US. So that is possible that we could be seeing a new correction right there. However, I do think that this bull market, Bitcoin could definitely reach higher levels than $82,000 US, and I think we are most likely going to surpass $100,000 US. We are going to see Bitcoin at the end of this bull market above $100,000 US, and during that rally in the Bitcoin price, last time we have seen that in 2017, you didn't really want to be positioned in altcoins. This was the moment when Bitcoin was overvalued, so to say. This was the exact moment that a lot of liquidity went to altcoins. But during this rally, you saw that all the altcoin pairs against Bitcoin were actually bleeding. And yeah, if Bitcoin is rallying, if Bitcoin is the star of the show, you definitely want to be positioned in Bitcoin. However, when we are reaching the higher levels right here, when it's really getting overbought, then that is the moment we are seeing a lot of speculation into altcoins. We can see that also back in the Bitcoin dominance chart. So guys, right here in the Bitcoin dominance, we can see when Bitcoin bottomed around September, right here, we got a nice bounce in the Bitcoin price, but also in the Bitcoin dominance, because normally when the Bitcoin price is increasing, the Bitcoin dominance is increasing as well. When Bitcoin is dumping, the Bitcoin dominance is increasing too. When Bitcoin is moving sideways, most of the time it is decreasing, because that means that there's a lot of speculation going on, with the exception of a blow off top. Because when we are seeing that blow off top, we also see the Bitcoin dominance coming down due to the speculation that is going on after Bitcoin being so overvalued, right? And right now we are seeing something similar. We're also seeing these divergences. Bitcoin could be seeing a bounce right here. Eventually, a similar move as we are seeing right here. Once Bitcoin is going to make that rally, we get that bounce in the Bitcoin dominance. And then later during this bull market, when Bitcoin is getting closer to a top, we could see more speculation going on and the Bitcoin dominance decrease as well. So that is the scenario that I'm watching in the bigger picture right now. And I do think that the attention definitely should be on Bitcoin. And guys, let's go back to the Bitcoin chart right here. And let's go to the shorter term time frame. But guys, before I am zooming in on the shorter term time frame, make sure to scroll below this video and to hit the thumbs up button, guys. That is very much appreciated. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. For all the traders out there who are interested in longing Bitcoin during these periods, you can do that over on these exchanges that I'm personally using myself as well, which are the Bybit exchange. And if you sign up using my affiliate link, you can get an additional bonus of $635 on the Femix platform. That is a bonus of $2,000. And on the Prime XPT, you can get a 50% deposit bonus. Do take in mind, this is for experienced traders only, and these bonuses can only be claimed once the deposit requirements are met. Then guys, let's go back into the chart. And right now we are looking at the 4-hour time frame. Bring out the momentum indicators right here. And I got some comments the other day, like saying that right here during this formation, I was slightly bearish. And yes, because we did see that big of a divergence, right? We got the price setting higher highs. We are seeing the opposite in momentum indicators. However, this is not a confirmation, right? So as long as we are trading, that is also something I'm very clear about. As long as we are trading within this formation, Bitcoin is more likely to trend upwards. However, you do want to prepare for the fact that if we lose this uptrending support decisively, then that is the moment we could be seeing a further pullback. But as long as we are holding these levels, Bitcoin just wants to continue to see higher levels. And yeah, right now it's also just looking bullish. Also by the fact that we are ignoring these divergences, because when Bitcoin is in a very strong uptrend, we are seeing it often. We have seen it in the past as well. Bitcoin is ignoring a lot of divergences in momentum indicators, and it's just shooting through it. So guys, that is something that Bitcoin is doing when Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish. It can ignore a lot of bearish divergences. That is something you have to take in mind. So a bearish divergence means basically nothing until you have confirmation in the price. So what a bearish divergence basically is saying is that once you're seeing the price going into a certain direction, you can see the price is getting exhausted in a uptrend while you are seeing these divergences. However, it can also just take a breather and then continue the uptrend. So it really needs to break a support level in order to have a confirmed divergence and to see that bearish momentum also expressed in the price. And right now with Bitcoin, we are doing the opposite, right? We just getting resistance from this. We are getting rejected from this declining resistance in the RSI, but then we just eventually we break above it, which unlocks new bullish momentum, and right now we break above this declining resistance as well. So what are we seeing right now in the Bitcoin price? So what we can see right here is that we broke above this declining resistance right here. We even came back down, back tested this level as support. It's still short-term time frame, so it's we still want to see like some more strength after Bitcoin is breaking this level. Definitely, but so far it is looking quite good. And as long as Bitcoin is holding above this level, which is at approximately right now, because this level is declining over time, is right now at approximately slightly above 51,000 US dollars. So the low we have set right here is at approximately 51,000 US dollars. If we were to get a decisive break below that level, and that level is going to act as resistance, then that is a sign that we are trading back into this bigger descending channel. But right now it looks like Bitcoin is pushing through the resistance and wants to break out of this channel, out of this bigger macro structure, which is just, in general, a very bullish sign for Bitcoin, showing that it wants to continue this uptrend right here. So guys, that is the support right now below us. The next level you want to be watching above us is going to be the top of this falling wedge formation right here, because that is the target of this falling wedge formation, which is slightly below 53,000 US dollars. That is the target you want to be watching above us. If we break that target, if we break above that, I also expect a acceleration in Bitcoin's price and a continuational move to the upside. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's analysis. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, that is very much appreciated. Then for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin or a variety of altcoins, you can do that on one of these free platforms that I'm using. And if you join the Bybit platform, you can get a bonus over 600 US dollars. On the Femix platform, that is a 2,000 US dollar bonus. And on the Prime XPT platform, you can get a 50% deposit bonus. And Bybit and Femix, I'm mainly using to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a variety of altcoins with leverage, but also on the spot market. And Prime XPT offers some extra functionalities like co-vesting, where you can copy other traders and you can trade the regular financial markets. And soon they will launch their staking platform, which means that you can stake your stablecoins and crypto over on Prime XPT as well. The only thing that Prime XPT doesn't have, which Femix and Bybit are having, is they don't offer a huge variety of altcoins, and they don't have spot trading as well, which you can do on Bybit and the Femix platform. And all of these exchanges, they don't require you to go through a KYC procedure to make an account. And I've made multiple tutorials on all of these exchanges to show you exactly how these are working. So if you are interested in that, you can find all of those videos over on my channel page. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.